If you're looking for a sweet treat, man, I got you covered, because I know when you are dieting or when you're switching up your nutrition, that's when your sweet tooth is gonna kick in. All right, so let's try this out. I'm looking forward to this. Wow. Oh man, we gotta make this. Come on. Guys, I got a sweet treat to make today. 40 grams of protein. If that's something that you need in your life, I got you covered. This is amazing. Let me show you exactly what I use to make this. It is so simple. You probably have a lot of these ingredients already in your house. If you don't, you only got to grab a few. Let me know if you like this idea. This is a sweet treat to help you hit your protein goals, to knock a sweet tooth out at the same time. I know you know when that sweet tooth kicks in, man, we got to be ready. We got to kick back. And you can kick back with something like this. Check this out. Let's grab some ingredients. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's super quick. Watch this. I'm gonna show you how to make a treat that's healthy and high protein. Remember, this joker's kicking almost 40 grams of protein. You can also bump it up to 50 if you want. I'm gonna show you how you can do that as well. But let me show you the ingredients that you have to get. And this one ingredient I found the other day at the store, I can't believe it, and I'm so glad I picked it up. I'm gonna be using this all the time. Let me show you some of these ingredients. First off, what we're gonna start off with is yogurt. I'm going with 1 serving of Fage yogurt. You can go with any kind of yogurt you want. If you wanna go with Okios, if you wanna go with Ratio, this is just what I have in stock right now. Fage non-fat Greek yogurt. It's a game changer. I'm just gonna use 1 serving, which is 3/4 cup. It's gonna give me 18 grams of protein right here, okay? What's your favorite yogurt? Let me know so I can go try it out. But there's so many different kind of yogurts out there. Whichever one's your favorite, just keep it in stock. I like to use the plain because then I can just mix my own flavors with it. But if you wanna get a flavored one, go with that as well. It's not a problem. And next up, we're gonna add a little bit of protein powder into it, okay? I personally use this right here, Kaged Whey protein isolate, the vanilla flavor. This is one I've been using for years. This one is great, okay? It tastes great. What I'm gonna use is 1/2 scoop. I use Kaged or Ascent. Ascent is also really good. I like this because it's real light. It mixes very well. I have this all the time on the way home from the gym. Easy way to get 25 grams of protein. If you're looking for it, you can get it on Amazon. Costco has a big bag, this big bag right here at Costco. If you go to Costco, look for Ascent. This is the vanilla bean flavor, which is a great flavor as well. Whichever flavor you want to get. I like to go with vanilla. That's my personal favorite. But if you like chocolate, go with chocolate. It don't matter. Just get the flavor that you want to get. But remember, this is an easy way to get in 25 grams of protein with the quickness. And these two are easy on your stomach too, I'm trying to tell you. Now, another item I suggest you keep in stock, because this stuff comes in clutch, is PB2. Let me know if you've tried this, okay? Or what do you make with PB2? Let me know in the comments so I can have some ideas as well, but PB2 is a game changer. So 2 tablespoons is only 60 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein. You can't beat that, all right? Especially if you're low fat, you gotta keep some of this, all right? This is a great way. You mix it up, mix it with a little bit of water. You can make peanut butter jelly sandwiches. You can put this on rice cakes. It tastes amazing on rice cakes, all right? I'm trying to tell you, this stuff is a game changer. Keep it in your house. You're gonna be using it a lot. I use it all the time. But all I'm gonna use is just 2 tablespoons in this meal. This is gonna give it the peanut butter flavor. So what we're kind of making is a high protein Reese's Pieces cup. We're trying to trick ourselves. We're gonna be eating a bowl of candy or something like that, right? We're not eating a bowl of candy. We don't get down like that. We're trying to watch what we eat and eat healthier and get some protein. That's why I got you covered. All right, now here's the game changer. You have to go find this. If you find this in your store, grab you some, because just keep it in stock, all right? This right here. I found this joker at Walmart. 0 sugar syrup. Come on now. You cannot beat that, all right? Let me know if you found this before. Do you use it? Man, this stuff right here is a game changer. Keep it in your fridge. This is gonna be your friend when that sweet tooth kicks in, all right? 1 tablespoon of this is only 5 calories. 1 tablespoon, 5 calories. Come on now, you cannot beat that. And only 2 carbs, okay? You can fit this into your diet. If you are struggling with your sweet tooth, all right, get you some of this. You can also just put this on some rice cakes, all right, to knock out. If chocolate is really kicking, you're like, man, I need something quick. Put a little bit of this on some rice cakes. I'm trying to tell you, it'll knock it out, okay? Put this on your favorite protein ice cream. Let me know in the comments what you would use this for, okay? But you have to keep this in stock, all right? I found this, I was like, oh man, hold up. You know, I'm gonna keep this in stock. So let me just show you how to make it. This is so quick, watch this. All right, let me show you how easy this is. Now, I cannot recommend it enough, get a scale. You put the bowl on a scale, you know exactly how much you're getting. Don't just try to dump a bunch of stuff on there. You're gonna really throw yourself off, okay? I always recommend you get a scale. Use 1 serving of this, which is 3/4 cup or 170 grams, okay? So I have the scale set to grams right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop in 170 real quick. All right, oh, went over. Come on now. Gotta hold yourself accountable. Now we're gonna add the PB2. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons. Do 2 tablespoons, 1, 2. I'm trying to tell you, this is so easy. And then I'm just gonna use the Kaged Vanilla Whey. Like I said, you can use whichever one you want. I'm gonna use this one because I like the way it tastes. I'm gonna just use half a cup, okay? So 1 scoop is 30 grams, so I'm gonna use 15, all right? Now, if you need to get more protein, use the whole scoop, all right? If you're trying to get some more protein, it tastes great, I'm trying to tell you. You're gonna use half. Let's go ahead and hit it with the 15. And then all you do is just mix that joker together. Look at that. Just keep mixing. It'll eventually mix in like how you need it. Like almost ice cream consistency. Now remember, this is gonna get you 40 grams of protein right here. And it's gonna knock out your sweet tooth. You can't beat that. I got it mixed in pretty good, okay? Set this back on the scale and you zero that scale out, all right? So you know exactly how much you're putting on, because man, you'll mess around and dump half this bottle on there and wonder what happened, all right? 1 tablespoon, which is 15 grams. Just gonna go ahead and put 15 in there. There we go. Watch out, because it adds up quick. What you're gonna wanna do now is you're gonna wanna just spread it around, all right? Look at that, just spread it on top, chocolate candy top. Might not look pretty, but I'm trying to tell you, this joker's so good. Now you can use more of that syrup if you want to. If it fits your macros, you can put an extra little serving on there. Don't be shy now. Just as long as it fits your macros though, make sure you're tracking it. Man, that's good. All right, there it is right here, okay? Now what you're gonna do, pop this joker in the freezer about 30 minutes or so. You don't wanna leave it in there if you leave it in there for too long, it's gonna be hard, all right? And you're gonna have to really chop it out. I like to put it in for 30 minutes just to give it that nice, cool, a little bit crunchy. The top gets a little bit crunchy, but put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so, and you got you a sweet treat. Come on now, you can't beat that. I'm gonna go put this in the freezer. All right, so here's that little one I made earlier. Look at that, man. This joker is so good. All right, you have to go try this. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this one. This will knock out your sweet tooth. I guarantee it, it's gonna knock out your sweet tooth. Let me know what you would add to it, what you would take out if you're gonna try this. If you're looking for a sweet treat, man, I got you covered, because I know when you are dieting or when you're switching up your nutrition, that's when your sweet tooth is gonna kick in, right? You gotta be ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I always say that, right? But you don't have to totally take out everything out of your diet. All you have to do is just make some changes, all right? Because nothing changes if nothing changes. So this is gonna help you right here. Put this in your life. I'm trying to tell you, the freezer, not too long now. Keep it in the fridge if you want to, just something cool, or you can just mix it up and eat it just like that. If you need a sweet treat right now, you're like, I can't wait, because it's either this or I'm gonna go grab a candy bar. You better just eat this. You're gonna get your protein and it's gonna solve that problem. I'm trying to tell you, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm gonna finish this up because man, ooh buddy. Go try to find that chocolate now. Let me know if you find it. Let me know if you use it. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go. Man, that is so good.